Hello and warmly welcome to Scamper IT Services. Hope all is well. It's glad meeting you here in these tutorials. Alright, so inside this video we are going to look at how to create Visa card for all your online purchasing using Ecobank. Alright, so without much ado, let's get started. So you open the Ecobank app. You make sure you download this app from Google Play Store or App Store. Alright, so when you open the app, you make sure you create an account. You can check right in this channel for a tutorial on how to create an Ecobank account. Alright, so after a successful account creation, what you have to do is to go to card section right from here. But before then, make sure you have something on this account. Okay, you make sure you deposit some money onto the account. Alright, so right after depositing that money, you can go along and create the card. Alright, so card creation is free, but you need to start with 25 Ghana cedis. Okay, 25 Ghana cedis. Alright, so let's go to the card creation section. Alright, here we have virtual cards, debit card. We are creating virtual cards. Okay, we are using for our online purchasing, so we are creating virtual card. Okay, so be mindful of what to choose. So we tap on create a virtual card down there. Alright, so after creating tapping on creating a virtual card, you select card currency. Okay, so here is Ghana, so it's Ghana cedis. Alright, so here we have Visa. Card type, we have Visa, so choose the Visa, let it be there. Okay, Visa. And type of card, select the type of card. Here we are not using it for, we are not choosing gift card, but we are rather choosing shopping card. Okay, shopping card, not a gift card. Please take note because you are using for all online shopping and subscription. Okay, so this card is free for 1 year. Alright, so let's continue. So right after tapping on continue, there will be a section for you to enter the amount. Alright, so let me enter 30 cedis for this account creation. Alright, so after entering 30 cedis, I can now go on to proceed. Remember, you can create the account from this range. Okay, 25 cedis. Alright, so let me tap on continue, but you have to make sure you enter the email there. Okay, an email to receive a code. Okay, if anything. Alright, so let's proceed by tapping on continue. So right after tapping on continue, you wait a while, so it will proceed, and it says insurance fee. Okay, insurance fee is 0.15, not up to 20%. Okay, so I'm cool with that, so I can continue proceeding. Alright, so tap on create virtual card. Okay, then you input your pin, the pin of which you use for the account creation. So it says checking account, creating a virtual card. The card creation is successful. Okay, so virtual card top up, request received and being processed. So let's tap on done. It means that they are deducting the amount. Okay, they are deducting the amount, so I'm sure the amount has now been deducted. Okay, let me show. Alright, so let's go to notification section. Alright, so the amount, I think it has been deducted. Alright, so let's go to card, then go to virtual cards. Okay, let's go to virtual card. So you see now we are having manage virtual card. You have this opportunity to use this platform to create 3 virtual cards for free. Okay, 3 virtual cards for free. Alright, so manage virtual card. If you tap on the manage virtual card here, you have the opportunity to see everything concerning the card. Okay, so you can tap on view card. Okay, view card to view the card details, everything that you need for the purchasing. Okay, everything that you need. Okay, so you can tap on view card to view everything. So This is how basically you can use uh, Ecobank as a tool to create virtual cards for all your online shopping. Please, if this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more exciting videos. My name is Richard Jan, and I'm out.